I'm going to show you how I made these floating tea light candles. Here I'm marking out the measurements on a plank of oak to cut out the individual pieces. I'm making a platform and 3 individual squares to hold tea light candles. The platform is 9.5 inches long, 3.5 inches wide. The squares have 2.5 inch sides and will fit a 1.5 inch tea light in each one. Now that I have a more manageable piece that I can work with, I'm able to use the table saw to cut the pieces down to the sizes I need. Next, I'm cutting out small squares that will go between the platform and the tea light holders. This is what gives it a floating effect. Setting the blade to 45 degrees to put a chamfer on the platform. I'm going to do the same thing for the tea light holders. Now it's time to drill the holes for the candles. Everyone loves sanding. Now all the pieces are ready to be glued together. It's good practice to spray a little water on it to pop the grain before doing a last sanding. I had a very bad camera angle when I was applying the Danish oil, so I'm going to spare you that cut. But look how fantastic these pieces turned out. As always, thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. I've got another giveaway video I'm already working on, as well as a few more projects.